Revolutionize your fitness journey with our advanced exercise bike. Experience seamless workouts with adjustable resistance levels and a comfortable design. Track your progress effortlessly on the user-friendly LCD display. Compact yet powerful, this exercise bike brings convenience and efficiency to your home workouts. Elevate your fitness routine today. There are many products available to choose exercise bike, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best exercise bike from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. exrcise Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. Experience a revolutionary fitness journey with our cutting-edge exercise bike, featuring a robust X-frame foldable design. Effortlessly folding to a mere 18.1 x 18.1 of floor space when not in use. This bike is a space-saving marvel. Crafted for your utmost comfort, the bike boasts a spacious anatomically designed seat and multi-position padded handlebars, ensuring a tailored and enjoyable workout session. Stay informed and motivated with the 2x1 LCD window that vividly displays essential metrics, including speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse. Tailor your workout intensity with precision using the 8 levels of resistance, easily adjustable through a sizable manual dial, conveniently located just below the sleek console. Whether you're aiming for a gentle ride or an intense cardiovascular challenge, this bike adapts to your fitness goals seamlessly. Embrace a blend of innovation and comfort as you unfold a new chapter in your fitness routine with this state-of-the-art exercise bike. Number 2. Activifit Folding Exercise Bike. Immerse yourself in a data-driven fitness experience with the Activifit stationary bike, featuring a digital monitor that effortlessly tracks your distance, speed, time, and heart rate. Revel in your achievements and make your workouts more engaging with the convenient phone holder, allowing you to stay connected while breaking a sweat. Tailored for everyone, the bike boasts a versatile and adjustable seat, capable of holding up to 265 pounds. Customize your seating position to closely match your preferences and enhance overall comfort during your workout sessions. Designed for stability, the Activifit stationary bike incorporates an X-type frame, inspired by physical balance theory. Feel the sturdiness of the bike, instilling confidence as you pedal, free from concerns about balance. Maximize your living space with this fitness companion that effortlessly folds into a compact size, easily stowed away in your wardrobe. Maneuvering the bike is a breeze, thanks to the convenient wheels that make transportation a cinch, offering flexibility to choose your ideal fitness setting. Experience the perfect blend of exertion and relaxation, with the quiet magnetic control flywheel, enabling you to enjoy television or music during your cardio sessions without any disturbances. Elevate your fitness routine with Activifit, where performance meets convenience. Number 3. Mercy Foldable Upright Exercise Bike. Embark on an exceptional cardio journey with this exercise marvel, engaging your quads, hamstrings, and glutes for a comprehensive fat-burning workout. Sculpt and strengthen your leg muscles, achieving beautifully toned legs as you pedal towards fitness. Customize your exercise experience with the manually adjustable resistance, offering 8 preset levels of magnetic resistance control. Simulate diverse workouts by tweaking the resistance, providing a tailored challenge for every fitness level. Effortlessly integrate this exercise utility into your lifestyle, thanks to its foldable design that optimizes storage and portability. The advanced frame ensures a compact fold, saving space at home, with rubberized foot bases, preventing any unwanted scratches or damage. Stay informed and motivated with the easy-to-read LCD panel, displaying essential workout variables, speed, distance, time, and calories burned. The user-friendly interface facilitates seamless planning of workout routines and efficient progress monitoring. Built to endure, the bike boasts a robust 14-gauge, high-quality frame, guaranteeing durability and surface resiliency. Counterweighted pedals with adjustable foot straps and a foam-padded seat ensure a hassle-free and comfortable cycling experience. Designed for a wide range of users, with a recommended height range of 5'1" to 6'3", and a maximum weight capacity of 250 pounds, this bike is your steadfast companion on the path to fitness success. Number 4. Kubu Exercise Bike. Experience the pinnacle of tranquility with our ultra-silent magnetic resistance exercise bike. The built-in tension control system empowers you to effortlessly customize workout tension levels, ensuring a seamless transition between easier and more challenging sessions. Ergonomically designed resistance guarantees whisper quiet workouts on this virtually maintenance-free bike, courtesy of its belt drive mechanism, allowing you to cycle without disturbing others. Indulge in the epitome of customization, with a 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebar, tailoring your riding experience to perfection. The steel-toe caged pedals, equipped with adjustable straps, provide stability and support. Safety takes center stage with an emergency stop brake and a handlebar adjust tube bump. The multi-use holder accommodates tablets, phones, water bottles, and more. Effortlessly track your workout data on the digital monitor, displaying real-time exercise time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. The hand pulse handle, with a pre-assembled exercise monitor, ensures a comprehensive understanding of your progress. Number 5. Chrono Stationary Exercise Bike. Introducing the Chrono Exercise Bike, a fitness marvel with the power of 16 2-3 adjustments. With 16 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, 8 seat height options, 2 seat angle adjustments, and 3 workout bike postures, upright, recline, and folding, the Barwing X Bike redefines freedom and comfort in your workout routine, enabling you to torch calories at your own pace. Experience the epitome of silence with our super quiet upgraded magnetic resistance, offering 16 levels of gear adjustment for a liberating ride. The heavy-duty steel frame, guided by the X-type design balance theory, ensures a stable exercise bike, with a remarkable 330 lb capacity. Rest assured, with our satisfaction guarantee service, offering telephone message support, a 12-hour response time, and a comprehensive 1-year warranty. Connect with us seamlessly through our user-friendly contact process, available both before and after your purchase. In 2022, we've elevated your comfort with upgraded reinforced seats, enhancing durability and overall value. The Chrono X Bike is not just an exercise bike, it's a thoughtful and practical gift for seniors and parents. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.